Here's a ride along, 2011 Camry. Almost 370,000 on it. Just so you guys can hear and see. Some frosties and stuff in this road. Hear it going over bumps and stuff. So I will say that the suspension is probably the most worn component of this car. It is a 2011 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. I'm not sure. Hopefully you guys can hear the suspension as it articulates. 50 miles per hour. The armrest, it makes the most rattle down here. Rattles. To be expected, the suspension is much clunkier than when it was new, obviously. At 300,000, I replaced all 4 struts, but I haven't done anything with any bushing in the whole car or any of the sway bars or anything like that. So I'm sure at this point all the bushings are worn out. But is it worth replacing a 12-year-old car with 370,000 on it, you know? That's what I'm trying to decide. So I think it's not. I'm just gonna drive the car. Hopefully you can see all the bumps in the road here. It's early January. This road gets rough. Here's a good one right here. Ready? Took my elbow off the center console, so that rattled. So you probably heard that. All 4 windows are up. What's kind of nice about this car, it's an SE. I don't know if they're all like this, but all 4 are auto. Brakes now. Steering wheel nice and smooth. Could probably hear that going around the corner. A little bit of clunk from the rear end. Probably the sway bar bushings. I think this road was paved in the last 5 years here, so it's not that bumpy. Oh, my dog wants his head out the window. But yeah, overall for 370,000, engine sounds real healthy. No problems with the transmission. No check engine lights ever on this thing. The suspension is obviously the most worn, noisy component. Here, I can give it some gas. This car is not fast by any means, but there you go. Little driving experience. 2011 Toyota Camry, 370,000 miles.